So hi everyone, this is Team 5. We're showcasing Domino's operation process pre and post-COVID as a part of the global operation management course. Just to give a bit of background of Domino's in the region. So Domino's is managed by the master franchisees in the region. The vision is to become the #1 brand in the region by the store counts and to become the preferred pizza brand to our customers. Our vision is to serve a high quality pizza ingredients at affordable price and to be accessible to everyone through our online channels and our physical stores. The heart of success of a Domino's Pizza business model is under 3 main pillars. So the first pillar is the supply chain. The supply chain philosophy primarily focus on streamlining the operation activities into one central kitchen, central production house to produce our dough, and also to consolidate all the ingredients and the resources at the supply chain, then to distribute it to all the stores twice every week. The second pillar is the stores. So with this framework, the operation strategy for the stores is to let the team in the store to focus on pizza making and serving the customer experience, and all the other things will be managed through the shared services and the support functions. The third pillar that we have is the delivery. So Domino's focus on having the in-house fleet to serve both direct customers and the third-party aggregator customers. The main philosophy behind that is to focus on the food quality and also to serve a high service to our customers and ensure that they are satisfied with our experience. Now I will hand it over to my colleague, Luke.
Thank you, Walid. Overview Domino's Pizza GCC supply chains. Domino's Pizza GCC, as well as other economy entitled, faced the great challenge when the COVID pandemic hit the world. One of the company operation affected was supply chain management, specifically the issue of raw material shortage, lockdown, and restriction, and increasing costs. Additionally, delivery service have also seen an increase in demand for food delivery and issues with delivery delays for customers. To overcome this challenge, businesses must take steps to adjust or adapt to pandemic conditions, including modifying supply chains and delivery processes. Pre-COVID period, first, supplies of raw material and other key components are sent and consolidated through a supply center of distribution to individual stores. Second, customers come directly to the store to place order. Third, the process of delivering food to customer is carried out by Domino's Pizza internal drivers. And for post-COVID period, first, use local supplier to expedite and facilitate ordering and ingredient. Second, customer orders are routed to production or kitchen and not must go to the store. Third, the delivery process has been changed by adding delivery not only through company drivers, but also involving third-party delivery services. And next, I will pass to my friend, Mohammed. Please, Mohammed.
Thank you, Luke. So my name is Mohammed, and I'll give some insights about the process of Domino's. So the process basically is from 2 parts. The first part is where each branch is requesting material from the Domino's internal production center, who will produce the order, assemble it, and hand it over to the logistics team to supply the branch with the raw materials. And this is how it was done pre-COVID. As for the customer journey, so the customer used to place the order. The order is either a delivery order or it's a carry-out order. Then it will be sent to the assembly, then to the oven, quality check control, and finally the packaging. Then there will be another check to check if the driver is available for the delivery orders. If the driver is available, then the order will be given immediately to the driver. Otherwise, there will be some wait time until the arrival of the driver, who will then pick up the order and deliver to the customer. As for the carry-out customers, they will receive the order as soon as the delivery order is ready. And I will give it to Shamsa now to talk about the issues.
Yes, thank you, Mohammed. I will discuss now the two identified issues that happened when the crisis of the pandemic hit. It affected everyone worldwide. So the first issue is the supply chain challenges. There is three main pillars in the supply chain that was affected in this pandemic. Number one was the ingredient shortage. And when I say ingredient, it is both ingredient to produce pizza and also packaging material, equipment, or anything related to the pizza production. So due to the pandemic, there was a delay and shortage in the global logistic and transportation, which affected our availability of ingredients. Number two, lockdowns and restrictions. So the lockdown and restrictions, several of our suppliers and manufacturing facilities were forced to shut down due to those restrictions, and the reduction in available supplier further affected Domino's Pizza supply chain. And due to this restriction and limitation of suppliers, there was a huge increase in the cost that resulted in the disruption of our supply chain. Delivery. So the delivery service was our second biggest issue identified in this pandemic. So suddenly there was a huge increase in demand of delivery. The dine-in option was restricted or forbidden for a while, and then it was limited due to the safety protocols. So food delivery has experienced a very significant surge in popularity. The increased volume of orders may delay and lengthen our delivery process due to the increase of the workload. The second issue with the delivery service is the human resources shortage. So the pandemic has caused occupational shortages, resulting in employees being absent due to illnesses or quarantine requirement if they were exposed to someone sick, and also travel restrictions. So some of or many of the employees were stuck in their hometown and they were not able to come back for delivery services. So a shortage of delivery affected the ability to meet the customer demands on time. Safety and protocol and contactless delivery. So to comply with safety and protocols such as social distancing, contactless delivery operation have changed and should be changed. And it was a requirement to educate our drivers because this is something was new to everyone. So the education and the training took a while, which affected and slowed the delivery timing. The final point is transportation disruption. So due to the lockdown, our drivers were not able to reach specific areas in specific regions, which caused even longer or not availability of our products and our pizza to those specific individuals. Now I will pass it to our colleague Mohammed again to explain the process map post-COVID. Thank you.
Thank you, Shamsa, for the clarifications and showing the issues. Basically, Domino's have dealt with these issues in two ways. The first way is by incorporating the local suppliers into the supply chain. And this have strengthened the supply chain in a big way, where they are always ready for any future shortages in the supply chain due to the global interruption for any pandemic or any other reasons. In addition to the flexibility to be able to supply in the case of sudden increase in demand, and the supply chain will be able to handle such a quick order increase. In addition to that, Domino's have collaborated with the local aggregators, and they have incorporated them into their delivery system. This have given them access to a huge pool of drivers ready instantly for delivery whenever is requested and regardless of the number of orders. And there is a very good integration in the back end where the orders are going directly from the aggregators to the kitchen, which makes the order very smooth and fast, which of course will increase the customer satisfaction and the quality of delivery order. As we can see in the revised process map, there have been added the third layer where the third suppliers are there to support the supply chain. In addition, from the delivery side, the wait time have been eliminated and the order is handed off almost instantly to the driver as soon as the order is ready. And I hand over to my colleague Masaki to talk about the ESG.
Okay, thank you. From here, I would like to talk about Domino's initiatives for ERS. So Domino's Pizza calculates the greenhouse gas emissions of the entire value chain as a corporate carbon footprint. This includes many of the emissions from their supply chain, which indirectly impact them through transactions with their, for example, by suppliers, customers, and franchises. So Domino's Pizza is challenging itself to address environmental issues not only within itself, but throughout its supply chain. It has also set 4 goals and 5 pillars to achieve them by 2030 in order to provide corporate responsibility and sustainable operations. As an example, our people initiatives include access to the world's first Path to Excellence training platform. This is a tailor-made app that offers a world of personal growth and professional development, providing a path for employees, whether in a part-time role or a career, with lifelong learning opportunities for all team members and a quality level of readiness for a stable operation. So I will pass the microphone to James, last part.
Thank you, Masaki. So in conclusion, we've enhanced our ordering process. We identified some key challenges and took decisive steps to make ordering easier and more efficient for our valued customers. First, we recognized the issues that were causing frustration, whether it's cumbersome navigation, errors in our order process, or supply chain issues. We understood the pain points. We streamlined our supply chain process, simplifying the entire process. No more confusion, no more complications. And the results? Well, the results speak for themselves. Our improvements have led to increased efficiency, a significant reduction in wait time, and most importantly, an enhanced customer experience. Ordering is now easy and more enjoyable than ever. In a nutshell, our customer satisfaction has soared, and we are committed to maintaining this level of excellence. Thank you very much.